Hey Heat Transfer Source friends, it's Gina and I am bringing you another great product that I am enjoying from Heat Transfer Source. So recently I have gotten into trying to make the, I never say it right, faux leather, I never say it right. Don't shoot me for that, don't hold it against me. But I am enjoying the leather, and Heat Transfer Source has a bunch of different colors as well as some animal prints. Today I'm going to show y'all how to use their printable. If y'all don't know, I love the printable. Printable allows you to open up a lot of what you do, especially if you don't have a sublimation printer. I've done a video on, as well as I've used a bunch. I love their sublimation prints. They got some really cool designs. However, if it's a design that you don't have or Heat Transfer Source doesn't have and you're wanting to do, their printable dark inkjet transfer paper is wonderful for printing different patterns or images. And so I am going to be using their faux leather. I'm probably honestly not saying that right. Y'all please forgive me. But I'm going to be using their leather pieces, and I just got some solid black and some solid red and some solid gray. And I printed out some images that I want to do. And I'm going to be putting these on. So I'm going to be making myself some earrings. So I recently printed out a shirt. Same paper, that printable dark ink transfer paper. And I am going to also be making myself a shirt to match my earrings. So here's my piece for my shirt. And you see, it's very sturdy. I love their printable paper. And I'm going to be putting that design on a red shirt, so I'm going to be putting this on red, and I'm going to be making myself some earrings. I've already peeled the back. However, you just peel the back off, and then you're going to apply. Now, as I mentioned, Heat Transfer Source supplies their cards with instruction, and so I'm using my iron, and so you have to remember things like you only press for about a minute. You got to do a real heavy press, so get in there. And so I am going to be using some wax paper, parchment paper. And so I'm just going to do one of each to kind of show y'all what to do, and then get into how you can turn them into earrings. Center your image on your leather piece where you want it. Once you get it good in place where you want it, you apply your cover paper. Make sure your iron is on your highest setting. And you're going to go ahead and apply that pressure. Get in there. And you're going to press it for about a good minute. Sometimes it will stick. That's okay. You're just going to want to peel it right off. And see, it doesn't even take a lot for it to get up there really good. But see, it's cute. And we're going to make some dangly earrings. And so for me to make my holes, all I use is a little thumbtack. And I just punch it straight through and it give me my hole. If you don't want to do it that way, you can use the template design to add your hole. Both the black and the gray that I'm going to use already cut the hole out. Line your holes up like so. Make sure it's where you want it. Put your cover paper over. And again, apply that pressure. You want to roughly apply that pressure for up to a minute. And voila. You now have a decaled earring. Now my eagle, how I mentioned you want to make sure your holes line up. This one does not have a hole because I want it to come underneath my hole. So that one I'm going to put more towards the middle of my circle. And then you're just going to apply that pressure. And you're good to go. But you want to make sure that you can see your fibers or material through your printed or your glitter or your regular matte, whatever you're using. Make sure you see those fibers of whatever material you're pressing on, because that will tell you that you got a good press. So now I'll go ahead and grab my tools, and I'm going to show y'all real quick how to put together the earrings. So I purchased a kit from Amazon for making the earrings. Comes with a little box like this with different color hooks and clamps, and then some nice tweezers, I guess you would call them. And so I'm going to put these on some gold. So you have your little hook pieces right there, and you're going to use this and open it up. Once you get it open, you're going to take that through your hole on your design. Sometimes it's a lot easier said than done. It takes a lot of patience. Everything takes patience, y'all. So you hook that straight through, and then you're just going to hook your earring hook on, and then you're going to close it. And then voila, you have your cute earring. Again, the leather can be purchased at Heat Transfer Source, and I use their dark printable inkjet paper. And then the next one, I'm going to do one that has the hole so that you can see. Let's do the eagle. I'm excited about these. And I am going to go with a darker hook and a darker clamp because my eagle is outlined in black. And so again, you're just going to open. I'll do a double hook to let y'all see. I did 2 links. So you see one link is applied to the earring, and then one link is in the middle applied to the hook. And there you go. You got you a nice, cute, personalized, inexpensive earring. And Heat Transfer Source has a lot of great sales and giveaways. Oh my gosh, their giveaways are amazing. And their sales, they recently just had a Black Friday sale, or an early Black Friday sale. And so they do different sales. Typically there's a weekly sale that goes on, and you can sign up if you are on their Instagram or their Facebook. There's a Facebook main page as well as a Facebook group. Love the group. There's so many helpful crafters in there, and they're always posting their sales and giveaways. So I highly recommend joining the group and making sure you stay on top of that. But overall, Heat Transfer Source just has some great material. Check it out. Thanks for joining me, y'all.
For 300 more craft tutorials, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and remember to hit that bell. Thanks, everyone.